Welcome, an initiative by Kikewa College of Horticulture, Nasik, giving an online audio-visual learning from Department of Soil Science. I, the Professor N.S. Gogre, going to deliver a lecture on a topic.
What do you mean by organic manure first? Manures are the organic materials which is derived from plant, human, animal residues which contain nutrients in complex organic form. It is classified into two. Number one, that is bulky organic manure, and number two, that is concentrated organic manure. Let's going to start about what do you mean by bulky organic manures. The manures which are bulky in nature contain plant nutrients in smaller quantities or lesser quantities, and which are to be required to be applied in larger quantities are called as a bulky organic manure. What are the examples of bulky manure? Bulky organic manure, types of organic manure. Bulky organic manure. Number one, farm made manure. What are the residues which are farm itself is called as a farm made manure, which includes mixture of dung and urine of farm animals along with litter and leftover of material from residues of fodder and feed. Which it contains about 0.5% nitrogen, 0.2% phosphorus, and 0.5% potash. Then compost. Next type of bulky organic manure is a compost. Compost are mass of well-rotten manure prepared by aerobic and anaerobic decomposition of organic matter. There are various types of compost. Compost from farm litter, compost from town, that is called as urban compost, then mechanical compost, then night soil, human excreta. Night soil means human excreta both in solid and liquid form is called as night soil. Then sewage and sludge. The solid portion of sanitation system is called as the sludge, and liquid portion is called as sewage. It is also called as sewage water. Then green manure. The types of green manure, that is in situ and ex situ green manure. The crops used in green manure are Sanium, Dencha, Lepshira, Gawar, that is Samosid, Tetragonalaba. Then agri-industrial waste, gobar glass slurry, poultry manure, wood ash, husk, and waste. These are other sources. The next step, that is concentrated organic manures. Concentrated organic manures are the manures that are organic in nature, contain higher percentage of major plant nutrients like NPK, but required in smaller quantity. Is called as a concentrated organic manures. In contrast to bulk organic manures, concentrated organic manures required in smaller quantity provide nutrient in higher quantities. What are they? These are edible oil cake and non-edible oil cake. Example of edible oil cake, that is coconut cake, cottonseed cake, and groundnut cake. Non-edible oil cake, that is castor cake, currant cake, neem cake. These are sources of edible oil also. Okay. What are the factors of determining value of decomposition of oil cakes? That is CN ratio, oil content, and nutrifaculty. So this is about organic manures. Then we have to study about what do you mean by green manuring. Green manuring. Green manuring can be defined as the growth of a crop for a specific purpose, which is to be incorporated into soil while it is still green, in view of providing nutrients after decomposition when it is still green. is a practice of plowing or turning into the soil undecomposed green plant tissues for the purpose of improving physical condition of soil as well as restoring fertility of soil. Is called as a green manuring. Objectives of green manuring are increasing organic content in the soil, maintain and improving soil structure, then reduction of loss of nutrients, particularly nitrogen, because nitrogen is very volatile in nature, which lost in atmosphere due to volatility and lost through soil due to leachability. So the decomposition of this green manuring provide nutrients in smaller span. So it will be able to convert into inorganic form and plants get utilized it. What are types of green manuring? There are two types. Basically, green manuring in situ, then green manuring in ex situ. Denkia, these are the examples of green manuring. Then another sources is wild indigo, Phylloxera. All that. Advantages of green manuring in situ. The green manure crop can be chosen to suit the particular soil, season, and water facility according to cropping pattern. It reduces expenditure on collection and transportation of green leaf. It reduces loss of nitrogen from the soil. These are advantages of green manuring in situ. Okay, it is all about organic manures or manures. Next time we will going to study about fertilizers.